For now, let's move on to the big global tech voice of the day. Indian IT companies need to pivot to the cloud technology and stay ahead of the curve. That's the advice to the likes of Wipro and Infosys from Adobe's Shantanu Narayen. In an exclusive conversation with Shereen Bhan, Narayen said that IT industry is entering a third phase of enterprise software and companies must have the stomach to embrace the change.
The Indian IT services model at this point in time is in need of disruption, or is being forced to disrupt, given what we are seeing with automation and so on and so forth, and the challenges that they face. It's probably going to only get worse from here on. Again, you know, from your experience of how you pivoted Adobe to where it is today, what would your advice be to companies like Wipro, Infosys and TCS?
Well, I'm not the expert, and a number of good friends run all those companies. But I'll tell you what is happening, which is there was an enterprise era where people deployed enterprise software behind the firewalls. And so companies like Infosys or Wipro or TCS were the experts in enabling IT departments to install that, and they built extremely lucrative, successful businesses. With the move towards the cloud, people are not deploying that software anymore, and so the entire customization effort where these companies specialize in that customization behind the firewall, that's going away because people are deploying companies like Adobe or Salesforce or other companies completely in the cloud. So then the question really is, how do these companies evolve from where their primary business was deploying on-premise software to a new model of software?
How easy is it to make that transition, Shantanu?
Well, I think with all transitions, Shereen, it's about, do you have a North Star of where you want to go as a company? As people like Vishal who come in, who have tremendous product experience, or Abid now at Wipro, or Frank Dessous, I think they have the talent to now look at it and say, if there's a new opportunity and it's all software as a service, it's all cloud, and it's all mobile, what do we have as a company to completely pivot to that?
And you can catch this entire interview with Adobe Shantanu Narayen at 10 p.m. only on CNBC-TV18.